Hey, how's it going, friends? Jay Sennett back in my Jazzy Jae kitchen for some good cooking. And on this episode of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to make two different salad dressings, right? I know a lot of you like salads, so instead of creating these big, lavish salads, I'm just going to show you how, there are tons of different ways you can make salad dressings, but I'm going to show you two on this episode of Cooking with Jay. And before I do, I want to thank you for watching. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings at 6 at the WHRO Public Media Facebook page, and you can see archive programs of the show at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you, we're going to make two different salad dressings on this episode of Cooking with Jay. They both have, the first one, I'm going to make this chili lime salad dressing, right? I'm going to add a little more than a quarter cup of olive oil, okay? The chili lime salad dressing. The zest of a lime, okay? The zest, you could not escape the zest of a lime, okay? So put that over there. Now we have the olive oil in here, all right? About a quarter cup of some red wine vinegar, all right? And a half a teaspoon or so of some finely minced up garlic. About a tablespoon of soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce. About a tablespoon of honey. Yeah. All right, tablespoon of honey, get back in there. Difficult to pour that. And we have about a quarter teaspoon of some cumin, dried cumin in there. Now the chili part. Basically, now the heat, how much heat you want to put in here is up to you, okay? Let's say, for now, about a quarter teaspoon of some red pepper flakes in here. A little bit more than a quarter teaspoon. So we're going to have some heat. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt in here, just a pinch of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Okay, that's that. And we're going to mix this well. Make sure that honey is mixed in there well. So if you're a salad person like me, a couple of interesting salad dressings that you can make. I want to taste it. I want to get this garlic off the spoon. Taste all garlic. Oh yeah. It's that tangy, the tangy sweet thing. Very good though. I think you're going to really like this, and it's so easy to make. So some lime, zest of a lime, some soy sauce, some honey, some finely minced up garlic, some olive oil, red wine vinegar, some cumin, and the heat, some red pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And you have your chili lime dressing. And I like the way that looks too. It's a great color on that. So I'm going to set this one over here. We'll show them together when I finish. Okay? So now, salad dressing number 2. This is a sesame ginger salad dressing. Okay? I want to add some more olive oil to this. Okay? A little more than a quarter cup if you're just making it for yourself. Okay? I want to add some honey. About a tablespoon of honey in with this one. Okay. And I want to add about a tablespoon of sesame oil, and I'm using the fiery sesame oil. Okay. And some more soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce. Some about quarter cup of some rice wine vinegar and some freshly ground ginger. Okay. And we want to mix this well. Mix the ginger in. Oh, should be a bigger bowl. If I can do this without making a mess, no, I think I'd do it. I'll just leave it in this one. Get it fast so it doesn't splash around. So this is the sesame ginger. Now you can taste it, and if you need to adjust your seasonings, okay. The sesame ginger. Wow, that's perfect. Woo! That's the rice wine vinegar, but I'm using the fiery, the hot sesame oil. So I was like, whoa! But it's a great balance of flavors, perfect salad dressing, and very easy to make. You see, I can make this in just minutes. Put these salad dressings together. So here, that's the sesame ginger salad dressing, and then over here, the chili lime salad dressing on this edition of Cooking with Jay, making 2 different salad dressings. And again, there are a bazillion different salad dressings you can make in minutes, just minutes. These are 2 of my personal favorites. I also make a honey Dijon salad dressing. That's another one of my faves, and several other ones. I have a curry yogurt dressing that I love. It's very, very good. And I made that on one edition of Cooking with Jay a while back with, I think that was with that mango cashew chicken dish I made a long time ago. I have to pull that archive show out. Okay, so that's what's happening on this edition of Cooking with Jay. Salad dressings, and the chili lime salad dressing and the sesame ginger salad dressing. If you have any questions, comments about the show, just send me an email to j.sennett@whrv.org. That's jae.sinnett@whrv.org. We'd love to hear from you. Always love to hear from you. Cooking with Jay, Sunday nights at 6 at the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. And you can see archive shows at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching. Be safe out there, friends. Don't forget my Send It In Session Jazz show Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5 on WHRV 89.5, WHRV FM, and the R&B Chronicles, my other show, Friday nights from 7 until 8 at WHRV. Thanks for watching. See you again soon for another edition of Cooking with Jay. Take care. Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.